Two lines in the same plane that do not intersect are called parallel lines. This means, if two lines have the same slope and different y-intercepts, they are parallel lines because they never intersect. On the other hand, perpendicular lines form a right angle in the same plane. So, the slopes of perpendicular lines are negative reciprocals of each other. In other words, if we multiply the two slopes, their product will be -1. So, to determine if these two lines are parallel or perpendicular, we are going to compare their slopes and y-intercepts. First, let's work on x minus 5y equals 5. To find its slope and y-intercept, let's rewrite the equation in the slope-intercept form. In the slope-intercept form, the left side of the equation has only y, and the right side of the equation has the term with x, as well as the term without any variable. So, to rewrite the equation in the slope-intercept form, we are going to solve the equation for y. To do this, we are going to eliminate x on the left side by subtracting x. Then, the left side of the equation is simplified to minus 5y. And let's rearrange the right side of the equation. Now, we are going to eliminate minus 5 in front of y by dividing both sides by minus 5. Then, this can be simplified to 1/5 x minus 1. Now, let's compare the equation with the slope-intercept form. In the slope-intercept form, m in front of x represents the slope, and b represents the y-intercept. By comparing the equation with the slope-intercept form, we can see that the line of the equation has a slope of 1/5, and a y-intercept of -1. Next, let's work on y equals minus 5x plus 4. This equation is already in slope-intercept form. And, we can see that the line of the equation has a slope of minus 5, and a y-intercept of 4. Now, let's compare the slopes of these equations. As you can see, if we multiply the two slopes, their product will be -1. And this tells us that their lines are perpendicular. We can confirm this by graphing the equations. The first line has a slope of 1/5, and a y-intercept of -1. So, let's draw a line with a slope of 1/5, starting at the point 0, -1. Next, the second line has a slope of -5, which is -5/1, and a y-intercept of 4. So, let's draw a line with a slope of -5/1, starting at the point 0, 4. As you can see, the lines of these equations intersect in right angles. So, they are perpendicular.